Over 9,000 years, humanity has been brewing. Beer isn't just a drink, it's a profound cultural touchstone silently shaping civilizations across millennia. From sacred rituals to daily sustenance, beer has always transcended a mere beverage. It fostered social bonds, provided vital nutrition, and even spurred agricultural innovation. The discovery of fermentation was likely accidental. Grains left exposed to moisture and wild yeasts naturally transformed, creating the first intoxicating, slightly sweet brew. Around 7000 BCE, Mesopotamian civilizations perfected brewing. It was safer to drink than water and became so fundamental it was often considered a gift from the gods. In ancient Mesopotamia, beer was a staple, not a luxury. Clay tablets depict daily rations, showcasing its vital role in diet and even as currency for laborers building ziggurats. Ancient Egyptians, also passionate brewers, utilized beer not only for festivals and religious ceremonies, but as a caloric boost for the colossal pyramid builders, sustaining their efforts. In many ancient cultures, brewing was largely a woman's domain. Ninkasi, the Sumerian goddess of beer, even had a hymn dedicated to her, detailing brewing steps. The Greeks and Romans generally favored wine, associating it with sophistication. Beer was often seen as a barbarian drink, though its consumption persisted in northern regions. As brewing declined in the south, it flourished in northern Europe. Germanic and Celtic tribes cultivated a strong beer culture, adapting recipes to colder climates and local grains. With the fall of the Roman Empire, monasteries became bastions of brewing expertise. Monks meticulously recorded recipes, creating safer, more consistent, and often delicious beers. Around the 8th to 9th centuries, hops began to be widely used in brewing. They acted as a natural preservative, added bitterness to balance sweetness, and became a defining ingredient. For medieval peasants and nobility alike, beer was integral to daily life. It was a safer hydration source than water, provided calories, and served as a widespread dietary staple. In 1516, Bavaria enacted the Reinheitsgebot, or German purity law, stipulating only water, barley, and hops for beer. This strict regulation influenced brewing quality for centuries. Before industrialization, brewing remained a household chore, often performed by women, known as brewstresses. They brewed for their families and sometimes sold surplus. The 18th and 19th centuries saw brewing transform. Steam power, refrigeration, and bottling machines enabled mass production, shifting from small-scale to large-scale industry. Louis Pasteur's work on fermentation in the mid-19th century revolutionized brewing. His understanding of yeast and bacteria led to pasteurization, ensuring beer stability and consistency. The discovery of bottom-fermenting yeasts and the development of refrigeration allowed for lagers. These crisper, cleaner beers rapidly gained popularity, dominating the global market. The early 2000th century brought prohibition to the United States. This devastating period severely crippled the American brewing industry, forcing many breweries to close or adapt. Post-Prohibition and World War II, massive brewing conglomerates emerged. They focused on consistent, accessible lagers, leading to a homogenization of global beer tastes. The late 20th century witnessed a rebellion, the craft beer movement. Dissatisfied with uniform flavors, small independent brewers began experimenting, reviving ancient styles. Craft brewers pushed boundaries, reintroducing forgotten styles like IPAs, stouts, and sours. They emphasized unique ingredients and bold flavors, attracting a new generation of beer lovers. The craft movement wasn't just about flavor. It championed local production and community. Small breweries became neighborhood hubs, fostering a sense of place and connection. Today, inspiration comes from everywhere. Brewers incorporate spices, fruits, and techniques from around the world, creating a tapestry of global beer styles at local breweries. Modern brewing also embraces sustainability. Many breweries prioritize local sourcing, water conservation, and renewable energy, reflecting a growing environmental consciousness. From online forums to international festivals, the global beer community is thriving. Enthusiasts share knowledge, trade rare bottles, and celebrate the endless diversity of beer. Beer tourism has become a major phenomenon. People travel to explore historic breweries, unique tap rooms, and regional specialties, transforming their appreciation into journeys. Beyond casual drinking, beer is increasingly recognized for its versatility in food pairing. Chefs and sommeliers now appreciate how diverse beer styles complement various cuisines. Recognizing evolving consumer preferences, the non-alcoholic beer market has exploded. Modern brewing techniques now create flavorful, complex non-alcoholic options for all. From accidental discovery to scientific innovation, from household craft to global industry, beer's journey mirrors humanity's own evolving relationship with nature and culture. Beer's story is far from over. It remains a testament to human ingenuity, community, and the timeless joy found in a shared, well-crafted brew. Cheers to history! Which historical era of beer fascinates you most? Or what's your favorite craft brew today? Share your thoughts and raise a virtual glass in the comments below.